Actually, this morning I woke up and like this data science job never expected. As a fresher, I'll get a role as a data scientist. So I'm happy. Basically, it's a dream come true actually. So uh, after my graduation, the COVID hit. COVID COVID really hit, and so not much opportunities were going there. So I stumbled upon Odin School Bootcamp. Uh, Odin School really helps a lot. Really helped me a lot, and it literally changed my life.
So, hi Aryan. First of all, thank you so much for joining us. And how are you doing?
I'm very fine. Actually, this morning I woke up and like this data science job never expected. As a fresher, I'll get a role as a data scientist. So I'm happy. Basically, it's a dream come true actually. Uh, Odin School really helps a lot. Really helped me a lot, and it literally changed my life. So yeah.
So, first of all, tell us a little bit about yourself, your family background, and your educational background a little.
So I did my HS from St. Thomas's Day School, which is from ICSC board, and not where I'm not I was quite a above average student, not a very good student. I was a quite good keen at math. I used to love math games and riddle games, so those spy type games, escape room games. So that detective type of thing has helped me to form this love for data. So by the time at the end of 12, I decided to that I want to pursue my career as a data scientist. My sir also told me, since I'm good at math, so I should pursue my career. So uh, after my graduation, the COVID hit. COVID COVID really hit, and there was going recession going on. So not much opportunities were going there. So I stumbled upon Odin School Bootcamp, and the amount of support I got from Odin School, be it industry aligned professionals, be it doubt clarification sessions, be it student portal where we practice our mock interview, not only mock interviews but also all the Python and SQL queries. Ultimately, it's a total package that we get from Odin School, and it's definitely like if you put in the effort, Odin School is definitely there to help you in each and every step of the way. So yeah.
Great. So, where are you currently working and what's your role?
So before Odin School, I was applying to many job roles, and I eventually got an internship as a BPO at VirtualBox Infotech as a business analyst intern, where I do requirement gathering and requirement analysis with all the clients, and basically website development. Basically, it was more software engineer heavy. You need to know a little bit more HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I did some Power BI dashboards regarding the sales of the kiosk sales. Basically, it was a UI and kiosk sales company. Uh, Basically G20 summit that happened, all the kiosks were sent from VirtualBox, like the company which I was working on. The UI is, the Narendra Modi, and the entire UI was designed by the BAs. Like it was a no-code platform. While doing the internship, I was also doing Odin School Bootcamp. At work to at tomorrow like at morning I would work, and at night I would come and do all the practice or holding school sessions, and all the Python and SQL queries that were given in the student portal by Odin School. And honestly, the amount of the evolution that happened in the school, specifically on the Odin School portal, I could say it's on par with the all the current gen, which like all the this popular websites like Lead Code and everything, Hacker Rank. So Odin School is trying to be that, and that's a very good thing about the Odin School. So OdinSchool gives you the particular score and gives you ranks also for the like gives your dashboard, your own personal dashboard in accordance to how you are performing. Like is it and where you need to improve and everything. So that's a very good thing about OdinSchool. So yeah, that's yeah, that's my
So, how's your interview experience now that you're currently working? But when you gave your interview, how was it? Like, was it difficult?
yeah.
Number of
So
rounds?
yeah, basically it was the company which I got selected. Basically it happened in 3 rounds. The first round was a questionnaire round where they will ask aptitude, mix of aptitude, Python and SQL questions. And after getting shortlisted, only few people got shortlisted, and then after that, second round of interview happened, which was a completely technical interview where people go, the interviewer goes deep dive into the Python and the SQL code specifically. And in the third round, it was a mix of all the three. Like they will ask aptitude also, they will ask technical also, they will ask case study type questions also, and they will also ask managerial type questions like what do you see yourself in 5 years, what's your role in why do you want to become a data scientist and everything. So that's that.
So,
And
how's
the
it?
inter my experience was very good. Basically, the questions are, it's not like it's hard coded, they will opt right off the bracket, like Elon Musk, they will ask hard encoded questions like very deep knowledge required. No, it's not like that. It's a normal basic type questions, so not too hard. It's very simple type question. If do know basics of Python and SQL, you will be easily able to crack the interview. Uh, but yeah, communication is key, because in the last round they will see how is your communication. So that's the thing that in not only this interview, every interview, communication is like the key. Apart from the basic knowledge, technical knowledge that you have. Yeah.
So, how was your experience with OdinSchool? Tell us a little bit about how did you like the mock interview sessions, the doubt clarification sessions, and a little bit about that.
So the best part about OdinSchool is they obviously provide the in-depth topics with industry aligned professionals who will not only teach you the topics in depth, which you will definitely do, but also they will give their own insights, their own experience of suppose if this type of code is mostly used in the Python, like VLOOKUP, uh, select from where, and what type of code is not generally required so much. So that type of insider level thought is shared by the industry level professional, which is very important. And it also helps us, keep up with the base trends of the industry. One good thing about Odin School is this data science is booming industry, not only booming industry, but also rapidly changing industry. One USP that Odin School stand out is take they keep track with each and every tool that is happening. For example, this new machine learning tool came, like a happy hugging face. So I used to regularly check the industry aligned boot camps, like what are the new tools that are getting introduced. Golden School definitely adjust their curriculum based on that. But more that's the good part about Odin School, and the placement and the assistance. Not only that, the mock interview sessions that they conduct every week, they give each and everyone a equally good chance, and they help the people to improvise wherever they're going wrong, if they're getting stuck, if that technical knowledge needs to be brushed upon, if they need a little bit more effort. And not only that, what are the things that we need to put effort in, they also share that, like the complete roadmap also was shared by Odin School. So yeah, it's one of the best like experience according to me. Yeah. So yeah.
That's amazing. So basically, I just want to ask you, how was the placement support? And tell us a little bit about your experience with the instructors as well during the session.
My the best part about like some of the instructors like Gaffer sir and everything, they not only provide the technical knowledge but also the internal aspects about you, like how to cope up not only in the job market but how to may put yourself like stand out from the rest. That's one of the things that boarding school instructors have taught me. And the industry aligned, the like the curriculum, the core subjects that were taught are obviously not like not everything is changing, but some of the aspects which are changing, they're definitely changing the nits and grits of the small parts which needs to be revised. They definitely do that. And doubt if recording is available each and every for every classes, and suppose if we still don't understand the recordings also, there is a doubt clarification sessions for us as well, where we individually ask questions, and if there is a majority people are asking questions, they make a list of the important questions which has most repetitive, which has more repeats, like then 10 to 20 questions ask this type of question, and they make a list and they address it accordingly. And not only that, there is a general type of doubt clarification session, and there is a cohort specific doubt clarification session. uh, General one, which I told you, they make a list of what are the commonly asked, frequently asked questions, and they address it accordingly. And the cohort specific questions are the basically for the particular cohort student and the particular instructor and the particular topic which was taught. And they can do one-on-one sessions with the instructor in the according to what is actually the confusion in the particular topic. So that's one of the very good parts about OdinSchool. Like OdinSchool is there, like whatever problems you have from like in an online teaching class, OdinSchool has solutions for everything. Like uh, and my experience from other boot camps as well. This boot camp specifically especially stand out the most, and it is the most trustworthy boot camp I've seen so far. And I would definitely recommend in my in like anyone who's you know looking for a career change or making a transition to IT field in the data science background, or any other for that matter.
That's so
Yeah.
sweet. So the last question that I'd like to ask you is, you can give one advice to the Odin grads. What would that be?
See, the only one valuable session suggestion that I'm going to give for the upcoming students who are interested in joining the bootcamp. See, no matter how good a bootcamp is, how good an instructor is, how well aligned it could be, the one of the best instructor and best industry aligned, best like best student portal you will get. You will get everything like you will get everything, but if you don't practice, like it's like giving a painter his canvas, but if a painter doesn't paint, it is all for nothing. So it's definitely up to you to put in your effort to go through the lectures and go through the doubt clarification session. Whatever doubts you have, address those doubts. It's up to you only. Odin School is there to help in each and every step of the way. In placement, whether it would be placement, whether it be doubt clarification session. But if you think that you're going to join a bootcamp and you're going to sleep over it, and Odin School is there to each and every step of the day, that is true in some extent, but without your combined efforts, their efforts is also going to go to waste. So nothing fruitful is going to happen. So with Odin School efforts and combined with your efforts and abilities, it is a guarantee that you will get a job. Otherwise, there is a no. Without your effort, there is definitely no guarantee that you will land a job. So keep working hard and keep building your portfolio. Keep making your own unique projects. Build your online presence, and definitely you'll crack a job. So
That's a really good advice. Thank you so much. It was amazing talking.
yeah.